So in a open system, it related to energy and matter. It consists of mass. So if you see that tea, the tea is hot. If it is kept open, the energy is released to the surrounding, and the few amount of tea change into vapor, and quantity of the matter also decrease. So mass also change. So there is a change in mass or matter, and energy is comes under open system. Next one, closed system. A system which permit the exchange of energy but not the exchange of matter, because it is kept closed. So there is no chance of moving outside. So particles cannot move. Mass will be remain same. There is no change in mass. But what happened to that energy? Energy may change. Only mass may not change, but energy may change because it is a conducting material. It is diathermy. Closed system also diathermy. Here the energy change in the form of heat energy. So first it absorbs the heat, and the heat attain the same heat once it started releasing the heat. So there is a change in heat energy. So energy can be divided into two types, that is heat and work. In a closed system, energy can be changed as a heat, and it can be changed as work also. When that energy can be changed as work by using a piston. If you take a piston and push the gas, what happened to that gas? Decreases. So here piston is doing the work, but there is no change in energy, there is no change in mass, only change in volume. So when the gas expand, the piston push out, so their work is done. So in a closed system, work or heat change may occur, but there is no change in energy. So when you see this tea in a closed steel pot, there is no change in mass, but what happened to that? Energy will be moving to the surrounding, and from the surrounding energy will be getting inside because it is a conducting liquid. So this is also diathermic. This is also diathermic. So open system and closed system. Next one is isolated system. In an isolated system, there is no change in energy and there is no change in mass. Why there is no change in mass? Because it is a closed container. Isolated system is a closed container. And why there is no change in energy? Because it container is a insulating container. Container is a insulating substance. If it is an insulating substance, there is no change of heat exchange. There is no change of heat exchange. If there is a insulating substance, then only there will be a change in energy. So in a isolated system, no change in mass and energy. Then it is known as isolated system. The example of isolated system is tea in a thermos flask system. Is a example of isolated system. Because it does not have surrounding to react. So open system, closed system and isolated system. Open system example, steaming tea in a cup is an open system. Closed system example, tea in a closed kettle is a closed system. Isolated system example, tea in a closed thermos flask is an isolated system.